Osunu, waiting they happen.
Hey, cheated. I do go. Mommy call you, man. Call you. I greet you, sir. I greet you, sir. Things they happen, but anywhere you do for Nigeria, you go to say light na important thing for this our country, Nigeria. And we don't see I'm saying light now one of the biggest challenges we say we face for Nigeria. But these people wait there for you over for Ikpobaka local government, it don't get as it be.
Since 2 years, no light. We want light, we dey vex. We want light.
We don't vex, tire. No be today. For how many years? 7 years. House, go turn ourselves. Another Uvuno now. I go sell my house, go inside town now. As we did.
December we buy pole, we don't buy pole. We don't buy pole.
We buy pole.
It happen so. We know they sleep for night. Oh, this turn by the warriors. This turn by the warriors. Our water they black. We know they use rain water now. Say we use our cook. So they can't give us this kind of thing where go keep people. Then now we build that here that we not get light. And other people they enjoy the light. We not go agree if they not give us this light.
I tell you we buy wire. Not be today.
They use water. They do anything for this community. Papa.
Papa, I dey take it draw water, no light. Since 2 years, as I hold like this now, no light. My generator, I use 18,000 do generator, you don't spoil. I don't get money to do them again. You say that it will go. Let the day over. You know day here. Whether they want to cut also too. You have one before, but I don't know whether they want to go now. Whether now we they go down up, now everybody they want to go up, but we don't know where we dey. We don't got light.
For 2 years.
For 2 years.
So that's in the family.
Mama was 99 years now. No, I got to suffer. I got to take something cover high. No light.
That's in the family where they your parlor, don't they work?
Yeah, 2 years now. 2 years yo. 2 years yo. Not the light yo. Not the light yo.
Where would they go now?
We they go that time they make they give us light. I want to go back they make they give us light.
May they give us light, okay?
I will go.
So I go follow that they check they go like this.
We go.
Give us this light.
When they where will they go? So he reach to cover the whole Nigeria. But we not get. Where will they go? Where you see them?
Give us this light.
Since they happen. But in case of anywhere you do for Nigeria, what did they make these people now they protest? Now because of light. We know say light is a very big challenge for Nigeria. But some people they get them 3 hours, some 6 hours, some 12 hours. But these people for Ihovo, for Ikpobaka local government, for the past 2 years, they not get light. Light.
Okay, now we buy this pole. Now we pay for wire. Now we pay for workmanship. We ne pate douan. But we douan, we not get light. That they use light for that side. They don't share the community. May we kuku share them.
No, General, if I question me, when me ask you, I want to ask you, passing go there is a river, you go to find water to drink.
Why you talk so?
The thing they pay me, say this our company, say that they generate light. Imagine, say we not, if I don't stay this community for past 6 years now, for good 2 years now, we not get light. Imagine, see Jerica went to the buy fuel every day.
What did they tell you say happen?
700.
What did they tell you say happen?
In fact, I don't understand, I just confused. I confused. I was supposed to go find my daily bread today. I said, I go wait for you. Make I beg you. Let me tell my governor. I beg, make interfere for this inside this matter. I beg, inside. Hey, Hobo, I beg.
Okay, Hobo.
Hey, Hobo, yes. Yes, I beg.
Oh, we are saved.
I know if you follow na pass again. I know if you follow na pass again.
We need light. Since 5 months I dey here, that place. We need light. We need light. We need light.
Light. I beg, I want beg BDC. Make them come see these people for. What be this? Our community.
Give us this light. Oh, we are saved. Now, the money help us. We are saying.
Here. What's happening?
We not get lad since 2 years old. We not know what we do them. Since that time, both people want to get a generator that they use. We never feel bad generator. We day for sad darkness. To buy for it not that easy. If you buy 1,000 this thing, it not go reach 3 days. I do hear me now. We don't know what we do then. So part they get. So not get. I don't know why.
Can we say something the sunu?
I don't know. I don't know, my brother.
For 2 years. You know, they say I see light. Picking when they don't burn for 2 years to this time, no light. If anytime we see light, now go to blink and one.
Prepare me today your house.
Eh?
Prepare me today your house.
Prepare me today now. It's day. Prepare me at
My people school now. No light. We not get light.
Something they happen.
You see this transformer 8. Now say we got 8 transformer. This transformer when they up so they work. They remove wire. Why they remove wire?
Have you not the home money?
We know our money. All of us know money.
Have you not kidnap person for this community?
We not kidnap person. We not kidnap person. See transformer.
We not kidnap anybody. They just like
they know where they do. Not kidnap anybody. They don't disconnect us.
Okay, here be this.
The name of the streets.
Huh?
The name of the streets when they darkness.
Without light.
Yes.
For this
25 streets.
Huh?
Yes.
Pipeline Road.
Yes.
Pedro Fossa Street.
Yes.
Ehikoya Street.
Yes.
Uwagwe.
Present.
Alasu.
Darkness.
Uyosa.
Darkness.
Ugboke.
Darkness.
Usorobo.
Darkness.
Oyodo.
Darkness.
St. David.
Darkness.
Poultry Road.
Darkness.
Igbenoba.
Darkness.
Imaswe.
Darkness.
Okpewolo.
Darkness.
Finger of God. Asheje. Celestine. Asamota. Oloye. Ewodage. Ekpude. Bemaso. Boroso. No Salawani. Erokwe Mese. Light. No light. But you when they watch us now, you they get light for 3 hours, 6 hours. Some people know they get light. But federal government, a very big challenge.
Give us light. Oh, we are saying, give us light. Oh, we are saying. Now, Morocco, you don't know. If you're not Libya,
Don't tire, go put yourself today.
I don't see for me. I tell them find now. Give us a light. We dey pay 10,000 naira per month. Other place, community that they pay 3,000 naira. But if they want give us 15,000, 10,000 per month, we don't tire. Me one sell my house more come up for here. See, as I dey so, we dey beg them. This turn back won't kill us.
Let me say,
carry this turn back come up for here.
let me say they that for your arm robbery. They take
My brother, don't be smart, yo. Don't be smart, yo.
You see this
we
store?
not two eye, we not the closer, not the evil eye.
Wasunu, say you see this store? You see this one? Everybody don't run, come on. Why? No light, no development. Inside darkness. Everybody don't come on.
Yeah, since they don't disconnect this one. They look at me, they look at, they don't disconnect this one. They can't tell me now 8 we tell you 8 transformer. Now they disconnect.
They disconnect this one now.
They still remove them. You see, this one now till be this one what they don't remove. Now the till is the 3rd transformer. They don't remove them. They remove wire. Now look at.
I don't feel pass here. I don't feel pass here. I don't feel pass here.
You are in a corrosive and critical condition. You are in a corrosive and critical condition in this community. We are suffered enough. Let them come answer us. Let them come answer us. We are tired. We are tired. We are tired. Our children are suffering. Let them come answer us. We are going to Abuja to meet Buhari. Yes.
So we have to to charge phone now, wahala for you.
Serious one.
How many phone is it for her now?
So you don't have to charge your phone.
Lala, without no back for no phone charge. No phone charge.
No way, 2 years.
But
That's why you don't see.
this place when they carry me go too far.
I bet you be there.
I know if he pass here again.
Bosumu, waiting they happen.
The diverse. It be like that. Because of lights. But you when they watch us now, you know what they happen for your area. You know what they happen for your location. Some people they get like 3 hours, 6 hours. But these people, 2 years they never get lights. Transformer day, prepared meter day. They don't run letter tire. Pure water. Pure water. Pure water. Pure water. Go 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 pure water. Who sent me come here? Who sent me come here?
Now God make you come today. Now God now bring you come today. May you go help us. Because we not get who want talk for us. We don't talk, we don't tire.
But in case you do anywhere for Nigeria, you watch us for Facebook, you watch us for YouTube, you watch us for DSTV, you watch us for GoTV for Start Time. Things they happen no. Why people say they're going to lose to a transformer? We don't know. That's something they happen.
Now first state. Then they use this our light. First state.
There must be something. There must be a reason why they cut the transformer.
No reason. They never give us light. 2 years. Which reason?
Okay, bless you, not the home money.
We not the home money.
You not the home money.
We not the home money.
You not the whole BDC money.
We not the hotel. We not the hotel.
You not the whole BDC money.
We know the whole. We get a program meet everybody for year. They look at the whole.
Okay, wait. Ogamona, wait first. Where would they go now?
Would they go where the plot day, the copy, where they generate the light? Yes. Make you see no what happen, whether they lose their transformer. If they hold, they'll tell you. If not they hold, they'll tell you. Make we know. Make you know the life for each other.
I don't walk out like 2 kilometers.
No, we go find.
Well, I'm not supposed to. I'm not supposed to move for a bike now. I'll stop keke now. I'm going to try reach that side.
Why you dey trek? Make you know how the pipeline big reach. Make you not even that 2 hours.
Now if business they move, now you go get money. Now lights, don't take they do business. Without lights, no business. When you get business, you get money. Now there's no business and there's no money. So we need the light to forward our business. We need light.
Not be one chance and enter so. No. Not be one chance and enter so.
Another challenge.
Who I go call now? Who I go call now?
President. Call him. Tell him where you go. They prepare meter everywhere.
I want Kwaji.
They prepare meter everywhere. Not yet.
Call IG. Call him.
I want Kwaji.
Call IG. Tell him what they happen.
They don't give us light. Another challenge.
You not get your number, make I give you.
Another challenge.
I go call DSSO. I go call DSSO.
They say they no sell pure water for me because no light.
Pure water.
They say they no sell for me. They say because no light.
All these people, they just shout. You get light here. You get light.
3 years, no light. What now?
They collected for 5,000 last 2 years. We don't see that. We don't vex so. They collect money. We don't get that too. If we get that, everyone go to bury. Everyone go to boom. We don't get that. We don't get anything. Now, I better give us that too. We need that. Give us water. Give us water. Yeah, this one a block. Now block. You know what I'm saying?
But the sunlight's not there. But this water. Block.
Yes, so. Sir. Add the transformer that they cry for help.
Add the transformer.
If they cry, what they use again? 3 years.
The fruit don't die.
Before they BDC hand, it's their community hand. Yes, community not stand as they're supposed to stand. They share the community into two. Then they enjoy light while they leave some part. Then BDC not stand as their own. Because definitely if they give us light, they go collect money, not be free. Many of us get prepaid meter. All the houses get prepaid meter. We not go buy card. We go buy card. They go make their money.
But they're not good at matter. This thing they affect you.
They affect me. We not get light at all. Light not there everywhere. Which kind of thing we don't want now? They must give us light. Oh.
Just imagine young boys like us. We have fashion shop. We can't even no electricity to even run the machines. We have barbing salons. No, even to charge your phone is a problem.
Waiting they happen.
Nigeria, because of the big and different challenges and different protests and different things when people they talk about like light matter. That's why I say make I come see the talk person for BDC for those state, making tell us the challenges and the challenges we say that they face concerning this light. I want to go see your guy tire for your office. Follow me. I greet you now. Before you see the office, you must see the security. The security must attend to the father. Okay. I want to see your guy tire. I go get to feel anything a bit.
Thank you very much, Ogadon G. First and foremost, we want beg people waiting for a hobble. For those of them we not get light, we beg them. The thing we did there, they say in the beginning, at a point where they do can count for that area. You get the other side, the pipeline side, where the houses, some of the houses just they come up that time, and some of those people there they know they ready when they do the count to do enumeration and see how we go, give them materials and make provisions for them. But when they now some of them the houses don't come up now, when they don't do ready, we get some technical challenges like the service wire, the cables and the poles where we supposed to use pass light to that area, we dey upgrade them. Then more importantly, there's that particular area where some of those people where they protest live, the cable, where overhead cable we pass through that area, e go against what we call right of way, so that one fit cause wahala, fit cause gbege. That's why we now think of the best way for them to enjoy that line, even if they get where gbege no go happen, na to pass that cable underground. So, and in doing that, we need materials. We go dey different with the one we use when we use the overhead cable. In addition to that technical challenge, now they make light no reach that place. We want to appeal to our people, make them exercise patience more. Say we dey work so that those materials we go upgrade them quick. Once when we upgrade them quick to be able to meet up with the standard, so that when they even have light, no be good to do on and off, no go be candle light, no go be low voltage, all these other problems, yama problem, no go dey. Then in addition to that, the cable, underground cable we go use pass light, so that they no go offend, they no go against any law we concern right of way. We dey work on that, and we dey look for best possible way where we go take connect them as a temporary measure before all these things they resolve. Our community relations department and our people wey dey for Ugbowo, wey dey service that area.
No, you talk about that area now. Now Ugbowo na be their.
Na the Ugbowo business unit na dey take charge of that area. They been dey under Ipobahi before, but when we do alignment of business, say how the location be and all this small approach wey they do for business, we can't say make Ugbowo they take care of them. So we dey look for the best possible ways, and we already established discussions. We dey talk with them so that we look for best possible ways to connect them with light as soon as possible. So once these problems are resolved.
In case you just the one guy who they talk to, his name na
Tayo.
So now the top person for BDC for say for this South for Nigeria here. But you don't see I'm saying, okay, apart from this environment now, so many people get complain about light. One of the challenges now. They donate money for transformer, they donate money to buy wire, and we don't see them say they don't go thief transformer, they don't go vandalize among people. Okay, these challenges, when they see them, when they notice them, then this transformer, who's supposed to take off? And because some people say they don't know whether you get them or not, we get them.
Thank you, Don G. We want this opportunity to tell our people once again, say when transformer, cable, poles, or any of these accessory, we dey take use spread light to our people when e spoil. Na the responsibility, na the job of we the service provider to repair them. No be the responsibility of the customer. But wetin dey happen be say our people no dey too get patience. Some of them no dey even wan pass through the normal process, and we also don observe that some of them na illegal customers dem be. So person wey dey illegal customers, he no get bill, he no dey pay light, something come spoil. I go get courage come approach the official service provider to help and repair am, because the first day they thief the light wey dey use, so you no go get liver come. That's why you dey have some of them dey do self help, and they dey go use people we dey call NEPA 2, NEPA 3. That is people who are not accredited BEDC agent or staff. If you see person wey come your domo say he wan help you repair your light or do anything,
or transformer or
transformer or anything, there must people wey wear BDC uniform. The BDC uniform e dey there. You must ask for the person ID card wey bear im name, wey show the company logo. You go even see the vehicle, the way dem paint am and everything. Na you go know say na genuine staff wey be that. All other people na roadside electricians or people wey don dey the system before wey no longer dey. So we dey beg our people say if they see all this, we make them blow whistle. The number to blow whistle na 090 388 57888. Again 090 388 57888 or 090 388 57889. You go use that number blow whistle if you see anybody wey dey do illegal work
that
or your network.
That transformer wey dey my street wey dey that area now, they dey watch me now, that transformer now. Who's supposed to dey guide that transformer? They look at
that transformer. You know, say our service provider, we get so many transformers running into thousands across the locations where we dey cover. There dey plenty even for Benin here. The same thing for Delta. The same for the part of Edo State. The same thing for Delta State. The same thing for Ondo and Ekiti State. So e no dey possible for us as a service provider alone to watch over all those transformers. So now we dey beg the people wey dey the community wey those transformers dey, make dem support, assist to dey watch over those transformers. That's why on our part we dey do wetin we dey call fencing. Make dey fence the transformer. We don dey do them. We don start for Edo State. In Benin, if you go to some major streets, you see some of the transformers wey we don fence, so that to prevent them, na only person wey dem authorize, wey be official, na him go get access with the key of that transformer, go there, go do repair work. So the people wey dey for community, we get community association, we get electricity committee, we dey beg them to dey appoint maybe local vigilante people, make dem dey watch over that transformer. Because if dem thief material for the transformer, yes, na we go carry the burden, but before the time wey that transformer go dey repair, the people wey dey there go affect them. So that's why we beg them, make dem dey help police that transformer. If at night, if you see anybody wey dey waka strange movement, challenge the person, blow the whistle, let the people in the community know, hand them over to police. If community wey do that, even when they tell us, we dey even do reception to say we thank you very much. Management dey do am to appreciate them and give them gifts.
Okay, oga, before time dey go now, this 3 hours in, 3 hours out, e go soon stop on, and so we go dey dey. Some people dem go go bring their light around 12 o'clock in the night, to some 3 o'clock in the night, some 6 o'clock in the morning, some 9 o'clock. But This sharing wey we never experienced before for Nigeria, it go stop or what will be the challenge?
My brother, this one a national challenge. As they happen for Edo and our 4 locations, now they happen for other locations throughout the country. The problem we get, say, for as a country, we know the try at all for electricity, for light matter. We get international standard where they say, okay, now so it could be. We no reach that level at all. That international standard, they say, as a country plenty be for population, now the amount of light where they could use to suppose plenty be. Say if you get 1 million for certain place, 1 million people they live in a place. Now 1,000 megawatts of electricity now you suppose get to service those people. Now we dey a country with population of near 200 million. Now less than 5,000 megawatts. Now they service our country.
Before they get like before.
Yes, before we dey get. You know, say our population never reach this one. That's one. Then 2. Now some choice locations like Benin and Lagos, now they get light very well. Other parts of the country they suffer. And the reason be say for Benin, we get TCN, we be strategic transmission station. With transmission company of Nigeria. Now then they transport the light wey they generate, come reach distribution end. Just like where you produce beer, maybe for Lagos or the brewery, the vehicle wey go carry and come, the truck carry and come the hotel, the clubs, the beer houses and everywhere. And then na so TCN they do when they finish producing the light. Now then go transport the light to all these distribution lines where they go then summer the house to our people wey dey for house. So the amount wey we dey generate dey small. For BEDC na 9% of wetin dem generate for the entire country na we dey get. Out of that 9%, na we dey share with Edo State, we dey share am with Delta State, we dey share am give Ondo and Ekiti State. And our people must know say Edo na dey get the highest, 42%.
But we know they get the light. Okay, when you talk,
we tell you say something small. How we take share am? If you get a country of 200 million, wetin we dey generate na 5,000. We suppose dey generate 200,000 megawatts. Because they generate 5,000. Come calculate am how it be.
Okay, before I let you go, Nigerians still dey talk say they get their money, but they not see prepaid meter. See money, give me prepaid meter.
Well, we dey beg them say make them exercise little patience. Government don put a process in place. They call am MAP, meter asset provider. Now for our own for BEDC, we don identify some locations where we go take start the map. Now phase by phase we go do am. We don identify the location. Now small wey the arrangement finish. Once the arrangement finish, the location for Edo State we go mention am where we go start the thing from. The location for Delta State we go mention am where the thing go commence. Then the location for Ondo and Ekiti State, our people go know am. The map, the agent, they just put small touch, last minute touch. Very soon, we go dey announcement and our people go get.
Before I let you go, some villages not get lights. Now challenge to now they prepare. Now no say some villages for this Edo, Delta, Ondo, Ekiti. They 3 wire pass there. Transformer did they but never come here. They talk with PRO and now you want coming. They don't get lights. Any plan for our villages to get lights?
Yes. There are plans where we get for people who never dey connected to dey connected.
Or soon, waiting they happen.
You don't get water. There is no light.